Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear viewers, and we are going to start in passive voice today. And today's lesson, we are going to cover three tenses, that is present simple, present continuous, and the present perfect. So let's get started. And we should learn the difference between passive and active. We use the active and the passive voice in each tenses. So we need to understand the meaning of passive voice. Passive voice sentences move the focus of attention from the subject of an active tense to the object. That means that we are interested in the object rather than the subject. And I'm going to demonstrate that. So let us begin with present simple. As I said earlier, we form the present simple by using the subject pronoun plus verb plus object. And when we want to form the passive voice, we start with the object, but we will add the verb to be is, and are plus past participle. So before I show you the example, I urge each and every learner to learn the past participle, because it is very important for you to know or to understand the passive voice if you really know the past participle. So let us see the first example. I do my homework. This is the subject I, and then this is the verb, then this is the object. This is our object, my homework. I do my homework. This is present simple, active. I do my homework. We can also add every day, or we can omit it. Then when we want to change this particular sentence to passive voice, we will begin with the object. We will say my homework. Then when you say my homework, then you should choose either is, or are. But this is my homework. You see, my homework is it. Then we should take is. My homework is. And then this is the verb do. Then we should change to the past participle done. Therefore, this sentence will be my homework is done. We can also add here by, and then here you can say by me. So by and the agent. Agent is the person who is doing the action. Anybody who's doing the action is called the agent. So my homework is done by me, but in most cases it's not necessary. This is because the agent is understood, isn't necessary. So we don't need it in most cases, but you can also add, if you want, you can say my homework is done by me, or we omit the agent. Now, let's move to the other example. She cleans the office. This is a habitual action. It happens every time. She cleans the office. When you want to change this particular sentence to object, passive, we start with the object, the office. Then we take is, the office is, and then the past participle of clean is cleaned. The office is cleaned. Do we know the agent? We don't know. It is not important. If you want to add, then you can do so. You can say the office is cleaned by Robina. The office is cleaned by Asha. You can also add by and the agent if you feel like. So this is a very brief example. These are very brief examples of the present simple. I hope these two examples are enough One thing that you should understand is that you should only follow this formula: object plus am is are plus past participle. We learned earlier that the present continuous talks about an action that is happening right now, or that's happening at the moment. The formula of the present simple active is subject plus am is are plus verb ing plus object. On the other hand, the passive voice will be object. We always start with the object plus am is are. Then we add been here. Been plus past participle. You see that past participle is always there. So let's start. I am doing my homework. I am doing my homework. That means that the action is happening right now or at the moment. It's continuous. I'm doing my homework. Then when we want to change to passive, then we will start with the object. We say, my homework is being done. My homework is being done. Then obviously, we can also add by and the agent. We have also this example. She's cleaning the office. She's doing the action now. Then the passive is the office is being cleaned. The office is being cleaned. Meanwhile, we cannot use the office at the moment because somebody is cleaning the office. Earlier on, we said that present perfect is used to express unfinished past, recent past, and personal experience. Now that we are going to learn the active and the passive voice, we are very interested in the passive voice, not the active. But we are reminding the students that when we want to form the passive and the active, we need to compare the two formula. The active one is subject plus have or has plus past participle. Then the passive will be object plus have or has plus being. Remember, the being that we use in the perfect form and the one that is used in the continuous form are quite different. The continuous one has got ing, and this one is B-E-E-N, been, plus past participle. Let's look at the examples. I have done my homework. This is present perfect, simple. I've done my homework. Then the passive is, we begin with the homework, my homework, and then we take the singular verb has. My homework has been done. My homework has been done. She has cleaned the office. She has cleaned the office. Then the passive will be the office. Then we'll take has. The office has been cleaned. I hope these two examples are enough. Until we meet next time, thank you very much for watching.